northwestern Dallas County in north central Texas until 8:15. At 7:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Grapevine, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs.
Let me see if there's anything on AM/FM to see.
Somebody dies, or after the end of a relationship. In this case,
Uphill.
his kids terribly.
University Park, Madison, Highland Park, Hutchins, Cockrell Hill, and Buckingham. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 420 and 445. Interstate 20 between mile markers 474 and 475. Interstate 30 between mile markers 32 and 53. Interstate 45 between mile markers 277 and 284. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now,
So, I don't know if there's gonna be anything on AM/FM, guys, so we'll have to see.